I'm Chad from Chad DIY, and today's project is this concrete fire pit bowl. So let's get started. So I have all my supplies here. I have my 5000 PSI concrete mix, some water to mix it with, and here are my bowls. So I got these bowls from Walmart. They're like $4 for their set. What I didn't realize is they have this little pouring scoop in them. They'd be better if they didn't have that. So all I did is I kind of taped that section off or cut it off depending on which bowl I use. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the largest bowl and the third largest bowl, and then that should give me the nice concrete ring around it. So let's see how it goes. I'll start by adding some concrete to the largest bowl. I will slowly add more water and concrete while I stir with a trowel. I'm just guessing how much I will need so that when I add the small bowl, the concrete will rise to the top. Now I will add some cooking spray to the small bowl so it will release from the concrete once it's dry. I'm just going to push the small bowl into the concrete and then set a 10-pound weight on top of the bowl to keep it in place. Now I will take my Orbital Sander and run it on the outside of the bowl. This should help get rid of a lot of the air bubbles that might form. I let it dry for a few days and now I will take it out of the form. A great tip for removing forms from concrete is just using some compressed air. The bowl isn't completely dry yet, but the outside turned out great and is super smooth. I'll start cleaning up the bowl a little with the scraping tool, just going around all the edges. And then I'll take some 120 grit sandpaper and just smooth it up a little more. Next I'll add the fuel. I'm using canned heat and adding a little Tiki Torch Oil to it. The canned heat burns blue and is almost clear, so the Tiki Torch Oil will give it a yellowish flame. Next I'll just add some chicken wire around the canned heat. And finally I can add the decorative black rocks that I picked up from the store. And now I'll just use a long lighter to start the fire. And here's the finished product with the lights turned down. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's project, and if you would like to see more of my builds, you can click the links on the right, and as always, please subscribe. Thanks.